everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you this beautiful hair that you see right here, and it's from Ayiyi Hair. Comes in this super cute pink box, and I wanted to share with you guys all the little extras that came in this box as well. This is a beautiful straight texture. Yes, straight texture. I did put some curls in this here wig. If you look this up on the website, this here wig is their Brazilian straight transparent lace front human hair wig. This is virgin black hair too, so it hasn't been processed, and I could tell it dried wonderfully. It's super shiny. It feels fantastic. The length on this beauty is 18 inches. It kind of seemed a little longer, but that's what it's supposed to be, is 18 inches. This wig is their 13 by 4 180% density wig. Now they have some gorgeous options. You can get wavy, you can get curly. So this does have that straight texture. However, it did kind of dry just with a slight texture to it, and it was gorgeous. I will put a little clip right here so you guys can see how pretty that was. I mean, what do you guys think? So gorgeous, just dried. Okay, so with this lace, I did add some concealer on the underside because it's a little bit darker compared to my natural skin tone. Another thing that I did on this wig is it looked fantastic straight out of the box, but I was quite curious and I decided to go ahead and bleach the knots. And I think by doing that, it just made the whole thing even more transparent. And right here, I'll show you guys the difference between knots before and after I bleached. So before I move on to more details of this wig, I just want to show you guys some of the goodies that came in this pretty box. We have this little pink pouch that contained a wig liner cap, some gorgeous eyelashes. I'm such a fan of false eyelashes because my own lashes are pretty much non-existent, so these were beautiful to me. I don't even know if you can see them. Look how gorgeous. So those came in the little pink pouch. We had this silky hair accessory. Could use it as a bow, as a wrap, as a headband. I thought it was very cute. And then last but not least, one of these nifty baby hair type combs. A lot of people use them to, you know, smooth out their baby hairs. Up front has the comb and then the brush. I thought that was pretty cool to have that included. Anyway, really great to work with and fantastic prices as well. I will have the links down below so you can check out and see what they have available. But yeah, super amazing prices, and along with those fantastic prices, you guys can get a discount. You can get 8% off of their already amazing prices using the code YTB8. That's YTB8, 8% off their already amazing prices on their human hair units. So I'll show you guys the underside of this cap construction. You can kind of see I got some makeup on it when lightening up that lace, but it's really well made, very sturdy. You have this large section of lace material where you can pull it back away from the face, multi-directional parting, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. That's really nice, sliding under your wig cap or into your biological hair to help keep this wig nice and in place. And then you have closed wefting that makes it very comfortable, just really well made. It has this stretch cap area, so it clings onto your head and stays put. You have these adjusters down here so you can loosen and tighten the wig so it fits your head more true to size and feels nice and secure. And then not only all those stretchy areas to help it keep it nice and secure, you have this extra thick elastic band to, you know, further hold that wig in place. So I'm going to install this beautiful wig. Like I said, I did put some waves in this hair with my curling iron. It took the curl really, really well. It looks nice and shiny and healthy. I don't see why it wouldn't be. It's virgin hair, so gorgeous, gorgeous. So I already put on a wig liner, and I am going to use adhesive to really try to melt this lace into the front of my head. Now, I'm aware that the lace doesn't match my skin tone perfectly, so we'll see what we can do to help blend and go from here. So I'm going to put some Got to Be Glued along where I want that hairline to sit. I already cut the lace off the front. I'll put a clip right now so you guys can see me trimming that lace. So the lace is gone, as you guys saw in that video. Let's put her on. So first I'm going to figure out where on the front I want this lace to sit, that front hairline. Kind of put it in place. Grab this elastic band, pull it down behind my nape, then take the remaining area of that wig and pull it back. Now I'm going to grab the comb behind my nape area and slide that under my cap and into my hair. Woo! Let's adjust this to make sure I have it where I'd like it. Right there is good. I'm going to take the rest of this cap, make sure it is placed exactly where I want it. The lace has kind of curved up inside, so just grabbing that. You have that lace all the way down to your ear tabs, so great area of natural looking hair growth. Okay, so I'm going to put this headband on. Try to really get a secure bond with that adhesive, essentially spiking glue. This is really, really pretty hair. You can part it every which way. Oh, I kind of like it like that. That side swept bang. Let me show you guys the lace. You know, for having the lace be a bit darker than my own skin tone with the bleach knots, and then I did, you know, pat it with my concealer underneath prior to installation, and I think it really helped. What do you guys think? You can kind of see my concealer right there, but you get the gist. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could even pull it off and away from the face. What do you guys think? Can you see that lace? I mean, I think it's pretty invisible considering. Not bad, not bad. All right, so I'm going to do a full turnaround so you guys can see the coverage and the density of this beautiful wig. I love the density of this. It's so pretty. It's quite long at 18 inches. Soft, beautiful hair. I want to thank Ayiyi Hair for the opportunity to share this gorgeous wig with you guys today. I've never tried one like this, so this was a new ordeal for me. It was fun, kind of experimenting with those knots. And overall, I think it's really, really pretty. Also very impressed with the packaging and the extra little goodies that were included in this package. I think that this is a beautiful unit, very well made. You guys, all the links will be down below to Ayiyi, this particular wig, and some other hot items that they have over there on their website. Let me know what you think about this gorgeous, gorgeous hair. I think it's lovely. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.